Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduction myself. My name is Frans Julian. My stem number is A23120094. I am student at Tadulako University, study program Mathematica Education. In this video, I will explain about current function.
Quadratic function. First, function definition or mapping. Second, quadratic function graphs. Third, property of quadratic function. Fourth, forming a quadratic function. Next, function definition or mapping. The function or mapping f for set A to set B is a rule that proves every member of A to exactly one member of B. The function f is right with the symbol f a right point of B. It is read function f maps A to B. If x is a member of set A and is right with y of set B, then y is called a map of x and is right y is fx. You can set the graphs itself in the following picture. This is an example of a graph of a quadratic function. Okay, next. Properties of quadratic function. 1. Based on the value of a. First, if a bigger than 0, then the extreme value is minimum and the parabolic graphs of up. Second, if a smaller than 0, then the extreme value is maximum and the parabolic graphs open up. 2. Based on the value of B. First, if A and B have the same side, then the axis of symmetries into the life of the y-axis. Second, if A and B have opposite side, then the axis of symmetries is to the right of the y-axis. Third, if B equals 0, then the axis of symmetries is exactly on the y-axis. 3. Based on the value of C. First, if C bigger than 0, then the graphs of the parabola intersects the positive y-axis. Second, if C equals 0, then the graphs of the parabola intersects the y-axis at the point 0, 0. Third, if C smaller than 0, then the graphs of the parabola intersects the negative y-axis. 4. Based on the value of D. First, D bigger than 0, the graphs of the parabola intersects the x-axis at the points x10 and x20. Second, if d equals 0, then the graphs of the parabola touches the x-axis at the point -b/2a 0. Third, if d smaller than 0, then the parabola graphs does not intersect or touch the x-axis.